This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The starter motor is located at the front of the engine. Remove the battery cover by releasing the side retaining clips. Warning: the negative battery connections are close to exposed battery positive connections. Use extreme caution to avoid the spanner from shorting on the positive cable whilst loosening the nut. We recommend covering the exposed positive connections with a suitable insulation material such as a plastic bag or electrical tape. Loosen the negative battery cable nut, then slacken and remove the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the negative cable out of the way to avoid accidental reconnection. Jack up the front of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the engine undershield. Disconnect the wiring plug from the intercooler outlet pipe. Loosen the clamps and bolts. Then remove the intercooler outlet pipe. Disconnect the wiring plugs from the oil pressure sensor and the oil level sensor. Note the location of the wires on the starter motor and solenoid. Then disconnect them. Unscrew the starter motor mounting bolts, removing the intercooler pipe brace along with the bolts. Withdraw the starter motor from the transmission. Check that the centering dowel has not fallen out as the motor is removed and refit it to the transmission face if necessary. Position the starter motor on the location dowel as it is offered into place. Refit the mounting bolts with the intercooler pipe brace and tighten the bolts to 44 Newton meters. Connect the starter wiring connections to their noted terminals. Screw on the nuts and tighten them securely. Connect the wiring plugs to the oil pressure sensor and the oil level sensor. Refit the intercooler outlet pipe. Tighten the clamps and bolts securely. Connect the wiring plug to the intercooler outlet pipe. Refit the engine undershield. Lower the car to the ground. Connect the negative cable and tighten the nut securely. Refit the battery cover.